Hello mommies, welcome back to our channel. So today I am presenting the second episode of indoor activities series. I hope you all like part 1 indoor activities series and finally I got to do the second episode. If you haven't seen the part 1 video yet, I'll be giving the link in the description box. If you're watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing by clicking on the red button for more such fun and entertainment videos.
Hi. 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 No.
So this is the first engagement activity for kids at home. If your little one is a big fan of animals, it's smart to bring home toys that may help him identify animals individually and learn their names. And there are some popular toys are available in the market and they are also the great option to provide an element of education.
Color. 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 Green.
Hippo.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Leopard.
Leopard. No.
Slime is another favorite activity for kids. Kids love to play with stretchy, fluffy slime in their favorite slime colors. They enjoy playing slime. It is one of the best calming activities I have seen. For so many kids, slime can be such relaxing, calming and regulating activity. Kids can stretch and net their slime for hours. So I feel this is a great engagement activity for kids at home. It helps to engage the kids' senses as it makes a satisfying squishy sound which also stimulates creativity.
Deuce.
What is it? What is it?
Deuce.
Those. The alphabet chart can be an important part of teaching your child how to recognize the individual letters and things and sounds of the alphabets, which is also the process of learning to read, consisting of 26 letters of the alphabet and a picture corresponding to the phonic sound.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Apple, boy, kick, dog, L, egg, fish, good, hat, mango, language, orange, pig, cock, room, umlaut, violet, what, exo, y, z,
Apple,
apple,
ball,
boy,
cake,
kick,
dog,
dog,
egg,
egg,
fish,
fish,
goat,
good,
hat,
hat,
ice cream,
ice,
jug,
dog,
kite,
kite,
lamp,
lamb,
mango,
mom,
mango,
Mango.
nest,
Nest.
orange,
Orange.
parrot,
Tag.
quill,
White.
rabbit,
Violet.
squirrel,
Jug.
teddy bear,
Tag.
teddy bear,
Dig.
umbrella,
Umbrella.
vase,
This.
watch,
Watch.
Xmas tree,
Xylophone.
yacht,
La.
zip.
Zip.
We can also find various types of charts like birds, vegetables, animals, and flowers. This is another engagement activity for kids. Kids love playing with car toys, and car set will be a cool gift choice for kids who love car racing. Flaunting a variety of bright colors and designs, these cars look strikingly attractive and they are suitable for kids aged 2 years and above. As they are lightweight and compact in size, they can be easily carried along by your children. Painting is a great activity for kids. This allows children an educational opportunity that is also fun and exciting for them. Don't tell your kids what to make and how to make it. Instead of saying, allow them to experiment with mixing colors using different types of brushes. While talking about your child's artwork, ask them about what color are you using and why did you choose it. What color is this?
Blue.
To improve the conversation about your child's art is to simply say, tell me about what you made, or ask them, did you have fun making it? This is the best way to encourage their activity. When your child makes an art, instead of giving a generic compliment, say them that you used a lot of green. Why did you choose that color? This helps them speak specifically about art and why they choose that color. When your kid finishes to make art, don't suggest additions or changes. It's important for a child to feel that what he has created is enough, even if it's just a dot on the page. Creating colorful handprints are something kids and toddlers have always loved, but we don't just want to create handprints, we want to display them in a classy way and keep these precious moments safe so that we can cherish them in future. And this is an easy and fun way to keep them visually appealing so everyone can enjoy looking at these little handprints. Indoor sports bowling game set for kids is a great indoor activity and kids will definitely enjoy this. This is suitable for small kids between 2 to 12 years. This is not a professional bowling set but a small toy meant for small children. It's a soft material and ensures that kids do not get hurt while playing. Wow! Toy cars represent popular toys that can be found in most daycares. Cars are simple, cheap, accessible toy and can be used in so many ways. Children come across vehicles frequently in their daily lives, so they like to incorporate these in their small world play.
No.
So this is the last indoor activity of this video. Kids naturally love riding a cycle when introduced at the right age, and obviously it can grow into a routine and a hobby. And this is not only helps keeping the kids engaged but also reducing in screen time. When you teach your kids to cycle, they develop their entire body muscle. Cycling is also linked to bone health and strength in children. Most importantly, cycling helps develop the lungs and heart of your child. It has been proven to help in the development of cardiovascular muscles. Besides that, kids become independent and they be aware of their bodies and their surroundings. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love this fun indoor interesting activities of Ishan. And do not forget to leave a review on your favorite activity in the comment section. I hope you got some good information with this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.